Imagine a dark, cloudy night. The air is thick with tension. Unseen, a shape moves in the sky. This is no ordinary aircraft. This is the B-2 Spirit, America's stealth bomber. The B-2 Spirit is a marvel of modern engineering. It represents a new era of military technology. Its ability to evade radar makes it a ghost, a phantom in the night. This aircraft is a symbol of power. It is a testament to human ingenuity. The B-2 Spirit is a reminder that we live in a world of constant innovation, a world where the line between science fiction and reality is constantly blurred. But how did this incredible machine come to be? The story begins in the shadow of the Cold War. The Cold War was a time of great tension between the United States and the Soviet Union. Both superpowers possessed nuclear weapons. The threat of mutually assured destruction loomed large. In this climate of fear and paranoia, a new kind of warfare emerged: electronic warfare. Radar systems became increasingly sophisticated. The ability to detect enemy aircraft was crucial. The United States realized it needed an edge. It needed an aircraft that could penetrate Soviet airspace undetected. This need led to the development of stealth technology. Scientists and engineers began exploring ways to make aircraft invisible to radar. They experimented with new materials and designs. The goal was to create an aircraft that would be virtually undetectable. The B-2 Spirit is the culmination of decades of research and development in stealth technology. Its design is unlike any other aircraft. Its smooth, blended wings and lack of vertical stabilizers are not just for aesthetics. They are crucial to its stealth capabilities. The bomber's shape is designed to scatter radar waves. Its special radar-absorbent materials further reduce its radar signature. Even the aircraft's engines are positioned to minimize heat emissions, making it difficult to detect using infrared sensors. Every aspect of the B-2 Spirit, from its materials to its shape, is meticulously engineered to minimize its detectability. This makes it a formidable weapon capable of penetrating heavily defended airspace. The B-2 Spirit is a testament to the power of human ingenuity. It shows how science and engineering can be used to create truly remarkable machines. Section 4. Silent Victories. The B-2 Spirit entered service with the United States Air Force in 1997. Since then, it has been deployed in various conflicts around the world. Its stealth capabilities and long range make it ideal for precision strikes against high-value targets. During the Kosovo War in 1999, the B-2 Spirit made its combat debut. It flew missions from Missouri to Kosovo, striking targets with pinpoint accuracy. The bomber's ability to operate undetected proved invaluable in this conflict. The B-2 Spirit has also seen action in Iraq, Afghanistan, and Libya. Its ability to deliver a devastating payload with stealth and precision makes it a vital asset for the United States military. Despite its relatively small numbers, the B-2 Spirit has proven its worth time and time again. It is a testament to the power of stealth technology and the importance of air superiority in modern warfare. Section 5. The Future of Stealth. The B-2 Spirit represents a major leap forward in military aviation. Its development has spurred a global race to create even more advanced stealth aircraft. The future of warfare will undoubtedly be shaped by this technology. Researchers are constantly working to improve stealth technology. New materials, coatings, and designs are being developed to further reduce the radar and infrared signatures of aircraft. The goal is to make aircraft virtually invisible to enemy detection. The next generation of stealth aircraft will likely incorporate artificial intelligence and autonomous capabilities. They will be able to fly longer distances, carry heavier payloads, and operate with even greater autonomy. The B-2 Spirit may be a marvel of modern engineering, but it is just a glimpse into the future of stealth technology. The quest for the invisible airplane is far from over. Section 6. A Legacy of Innovation. The B-2 Spirit is more than just a bomber. It is a symbol of American technological prowess. It is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the scientists, engineers, and military personnel who made it a reality. The development of the B-2 Spirit pushed the boundaries of what was thought possible in aviation. It paved the way for a new generation of stealth aircraft and inspired countless innovations in aerospace engineering. The B-2 Spirit will continue to serve as a symbol of American military might for years to come, but its true legacy lies in its contribution to the advancement of technology and the boundless potential of human innovation. The quest to achieve the impossible, to make the invisible visible, continues, and the B-2 Spirit stands as a shining example of what can be achieved when we dare to dream big and push the limits of our understanding. Subscribe for more from Guiding 501.